Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. A little episode today featuring Squid Game dolls and Squid Game games. Here in Bangkok, they've actually doing an exhibition and a promotion about the Squid Game 3 series that's just finished on Netflix. So they're doing a couple of the games that I've got down there. They've got the characters, etc. So we're going to go down and have a little walk around and just see what it's like. And it's basically about 17 kilometers from where I live now, out in Nonthaburi, about a 28-minute drive here on a scooter. So join me as we head down now. Okay guys, we've arrived and I'm just trying to not get run over here. So Thursday today, the whole thing starts around 4 p.m. I do believe it's earlier at the weekend, like morning time. Here's a famous song. And the soldier standing guard. Nice little crowd. But that's the Bangkok town hall here. So as you can see, it's nearly 20 past 2 in the afternoon. So I've got a bit of a wait now, but I do actually want to go on and have a jump if my knee supports it. But let's get in the queue for a photo. So as I said, I've just had my photograph taken here, and that'll probably be the thumbnail. But these little dolls, he says, they must be around 20 meters high, and the soldiers are very friendly. I think it's going to be busy here today, but let's go down, because this is the one where it was featured in the first season, and I think it's Peekaboo, wasn't it? Correct me if I'm wrong down on the bottom, but there you can see the Netflix Squid Game 3 series. And I have to say, it was, without being or spoiling it, it was quite a tragic ending. They look quite menacing, these dolls. And the soldiers are here. So here we go. You can actually play all the games that are featured. So you've got Spinning Top, Jiggy, Dakji, which is the envelope game. I think that's quite a hard one to play. You've got the Flying Stone. And let's have a look. Gongi. He's dropped it. He's dead. That's what you get for wearing a Barcelona top. I don't know how to do it, so. From Taiwan, I'm presuming. You have a go? I not go. Wow, and there's not many people here, which is very good. It is a nice atmosphere. Four people try, 4 people fail.
student game tenihon. Asasai no.
เฮ้ยอันนี้อันเดียวเหรอ
อะไรของจีบอันสุดท้ายเลยเอาไว้ในมือห้ามโยนห้ามโยนโยนใจ
อีก
ดักจี It's not as easy as it looks, guys. I think it's looking a bit grey, so I think I'm going to get my drone up, have a little fly, so we can see it from the air. But that is the exhibition here to promote Squid Game 3 from Korea. And I do actually love watching it in Korean but with the subtitles. It makes it a lot easier, and the atmosphere, I don't like watching dubbed, you know, like when you watch it in English but the lips are moving differently. I don't like that at all. So yeah, what a fabulous experience. And I've got to say, if you're working here and you're here for 8-10 hours a day, you will be driven mad by that music. And I was going to go up to the swing bar, which is just up here on top of that building there, Ching Cha, but I think the hostel's actually closed down now, so it's a shame. You get a good oversee of the whole area.
3, 2, 1, stop. Three, two, one, stop. Three, two, one, stop. Three, two, one, stop. Clear. Stop. 3, 2, 1, stop. Stop.
Someone fell on the first row.
Stop. Three, two, one, stop. 3, 2, 1, stop. Clear. โปรดทราบขอให้ผู้เล่นทุกท่านตรวจสอบสัมภาระและโทรศัพท์มือถือของท่าน
And that is the jumping game, jump rope as they call it. So that is it from Squid Games here in Bangkok city centre, just by the town hall. It's only on for a couple more days. I think it closes down on the 6th or maybe the 7th. I'll put the information down there. This video will go out tonight on the Thursday, so I'm here till Sunday. So there you have, look. Perfect. Now it's time for drone. Right, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with anyone that loves Squid Games. And don't forget, it's down here till the 6th of July, just by the Bangkok town hall here, and a giant swing. Come down and have some fun, join in the atmosphere. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.